Hello everybody. I want to talk to you about something pretty simple today. Zip ties. I think most of us are familiar with standard zip ties that you can see right here at the bottom. It's a one-time use product where you basically zip up whatever you're trying to hold, and if you ever need to get the thing loose, you're going to have to clip it or cut it. So up here at the top, these are some new style reusable zip ties. Some of you may not be familiar with them, so I just wanted to show them right quick. The difference between the reusable zip ties on the top and the standard zip ties on the bottom, if you notice, the top ones have a button made into the head of the zip tie. As you can see right here, there's a button. Here's a side view. When these reusable zip ties are zipped up like this, you can mash that button right there and it'll release the pressure of that tooth that's holding the body of the zip, in there. So watch this. I'm going to mash that, and you can simply push the zip tie loose, just like that. So that's a great thing to be able to do. For an example, my wife has a gazebo in our backyard, and we hung up some solar string lights in the roof of the gazebo, and we're having to do some repositioning. And in that case, it makes no sense to use a standard zip tie because you'll have to come back and clip them all loose, move all the lights and wiring around. So why not just use a reusable zip tie? We can just get on the ladder, get up there, mash the buttons on the zips, and reposition the lighting, and you don't end up throwing away the product. Using standard zip ties, throwing them away, that's bad for the environment. And it's just a waste of money. So let me show you right quick. Here you can get, here's a bag containing 4 different sizes of reusable zip ties. It's 200 packs. That's what, 50 each bundle with 4 bundles. And I believe that was about $20 on Amazon. So you can see right here, different sizes. But anyway, hope that helps somebody. Just wanted to show you that in case you were unaware. But I'll talk to you later.